How to log into the Spotify in PC. Here is how to log into your Spotify on your PC. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open any web browser and simply tap on the search address bar and type down Spotify login and hit enter. Then you will get to see Spotify option available there. Simply tap on the official website of Spotify and navigate to it. Once there, all you have to do is tap on the login option available on your main screen. You can see login at the top right. Simply tap on it. Then you'll be navigated to the section where you can sign in using any of these: email address and password, phone number if linked, Facebook, Google, and Apple ID for iPhone or Mac. Choose the method you originally used to create your account. I created my account with Apple ID, so I'm simply tapping on the continue with Apple ID option available there. Simply tap on it. Now here tap on the continue option available there and follow the on-screen instructions to log in to your Spotify account. Simply tap on the continue, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.